Hello everyone, it's me, Jenna Beaverson. I would like to further explain point-slope form. This line I have here, I wouldn't mind if you would put it into point-slope form, figuring out the slope and the points. In a moment, I will teach you step by step how to do this if you don't know already. And then if you do have an answer, at the end we will check it and make sure it is correct. Okay, so you should have the answer about now. Point-slope form, the formula is y minus y1 equals m parenthesis x minus x1 parenthesis. The m right here is equal to the slope, and the y1 and x1 are the points on the line that are circled right here. Some people ask, what do? You plug the point into the formula. So say our point is 5, 3. It's backwards because the x is at the end. So 5 would go right here, and the 3 would go where the y is, because our ordered pairs go x, y, but the formula goes y, x. And then the slope, you plug it into where the m is. Here is an example of how to plot the equation of a graph. In a moment, I will review. The graph has a point of -1, 0, and a rise of 6/3. Reducing that equals 2. We plug it into the equation y minus 0 equals a slope of 2, y plus 1. Since there is a -1, it will equal positive, because a negative and a negative always equals a positive. Really, it's just the opposite of the number right here. So if it's negative, it's positive. If it's a positive, it's a negative. Remember your formulas. This is the formula again. Okay. Now we will try it. Here is a problem. The slope is 3/4 and a line contains the point -5, 3. Write the equation. So x, y is right here. -5, 3. X goes right here. So x is -5. But two negatives equal positive, right? So it's positive. And then y is -3, because 3 is a positive, so it's opposite. And the slope right here is 3/4. Okay, so these here are the important facts in the problem. And we just made an equation, and we found our points and our slope. Now we're going to graph it. So our point is -5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3. Oopsies. Move it up a little. And our slope is 3/4. So we're going to rise 3 and over 4. And since we're going off the graph, we're going to reverse and go down 3 and over 4. We can even make a line to connect all of them. And there's our line. Okay. Close enough. That is how we graph and write an equation right here. Now I'm going to give you a few moments to do these on your own, and then we'll figure out the answers. So find the point and the slope from the equations here at the top. Okay, I'm just going to go over these quickly. X is -2, but it is a positive. And it's also a positive 6. The slope right here is a -3. Would you guys like to graph this? We're going to anyway. Over 2, up 6. Our slope is -3, so we're going to go down 3 over 1. Down 3 over 1. And we can make a line, I suppose. And we'll just snazzy it up. There we go. Now, I think you guys could have done this. You should have. The x value is -4, since it is a positive in the equation, and the 5 is positive, opposite of negative. Slope is 1/2, right there. It's there. Oops. Okay, now we're also going to graph this one. We're going to go to -4, 5, and our slope is 1 over 2. We're going to rise 1 over 2 this time. Rise 1 over 2. And we can make this a line here. And make it fancy with arrows. Okay, so we should understand this. Actually, I was wrong. One moment. I'm wrong. This is -4, 5. We are going to go the other direction, up 1 over +2. I was in the negative mode. I'm not being negative right now, though. And line it quickly. There we go. That's what it should look like. This is the second problem, and this here is the first one. Now, if you would like a moment to go back to the first slide if you didn't get a chance to figure it out earlier. Okay, so our points should be 0, 3, and 5, 0. And our slope would be 3/5. I'm going to write it in our formula here. You guys should have this as well. So I'm just going to use the first one right here. It'd be y minus 3 equals m, which is 3/5. And wait, x minus 0. This here should be your equation in the end. And what you got is your answer. Thank you for listening to my recap on Unit 3, Objective 4. I hope this was helpful or just stimulated your mind or got it working again. Have a great rest of your day.